Hello, DESFAM! Hello and welcome to another episode of the DESFAM Adventures. We're here on this beautiful cloudy day at the Disneyland Resort at Disneyland today, and we're going to show you that it's starting to feel like winter and like Christmas. So come along with us on another DESFAM adventure. If you guys haven't already done so, make sure to like and subscribe and follow us on Instagram on DESFAM Adventures on Instagram. You guys ready? So let's go!
At the new Plaza Pointe holiday shop. Finally just opened up about 2 days ago, so we're gonna go check it out and see what's inside.
Alright, so this store is completely new here at the Disneyland Resort at Disneyland Park, and it's literally everything Disney and everything Christmas all combined into one store. Just amazing. Like, check out all these Disney ornaments. The monorail is actually pretty cool. I like that. That's probably one of my favorites. You have all the cool ornaments. A lot of cool sets, a lot of cool individual sets, just like the Mickey ears, the Snowman Mickey, and of course the Bougie Mickey. It's pretty cool stuff, guys. And then of course you also have the sets, the Mickey, the Minnie, Mickey and Friends, and then the Mickey and Friends ornaments with the mouse ears. Pretty cool stuff. And then as you travel along the store, you'll find more treasures for Christmas. These are a lot more fancier type of ornaments. Of course, you have to have your Star Wars on here for all you Star Wars Jedi fans. So it's pretty cool, guys. This is a great store to come in and start doing your Christmas shopping a little early. So make sure you guys check it out next time you guys are here at the Disneyland Resort. Brand new store opened up just a few days ago. Oh, Lilo and Stitch. You got the Olaf stockings. You have the Monsters Inc. And of course you have all the Mickey and Friends right here. Not bad. So being back here at the Disneyland Resort, we noticed that now it's starting to get a little bit busier and busier every single time we come. And we don't know if it's because people are getting a little bit more, I guess you would say, accustomed to the whole entire COVID thing, or is it because everybody's just kind of being brave and just deciding to come to Disneyland now and because the holidays are approaching? What do you think, Miranda?
I think it's a little bit of both, honestly. But I feel like because of the holidays, maybe everyone wants to come in before Christmas starts to hit.
And Disney's definitely doing a good job of starting the holidays a little earlier. We'll show you why in just a sec. Ordinary Adventures! Yay! Alright folks, so we're in front of Sleeping Beauty's castle, and guess what? In the middle of October, we got snow. That's right, you're looking at snow and icicles and all kinds of cool fun stuff that's already starting to display the holidays here at the Disneyland Resort. And that is snow on top of Sleeping Beauty's castle. Look at Miranda over here trying to do some social media stuff real quick. Trying to show off that Disney swag, huh? Ain't that right, my love?
Yeah, we pay for it.
That's right. Tell everybody what you got in your hands real quick.
We got the new Disney limited edition Starbucks tumbler.
Wait, hold on, Mommy, hold on. I have you stand right here, Mommy. There, in front of that castle, because that deserves to be in front of that castle right there. So you tell everybody what that is.
It's the new limited edition Disneyland Starbucks tumbler cup. So cute, so pretty. I'm a big Starbucks tumbler collector.
And I'm pretty sure this was pretty hard to find. How'd you get it?
It was pretty hard. My boyfriend found it for me on Shop Disney.
Your boyfriend,
I got lucky.
Yeah? Must be a lucky guy.
He must be lucky, yeah. You're right.
Yeah. Try it. Dare you do it? Come on. Yo, it's frozen. Try it. Come on. I'll buy you a churro.
Oh my god. Hold on, baby.
Lele.
Jack.
Who is it?
Jack.
It's Jack.
Alright guys, so we got the wreath from Nightmare Before Christmas. Alea's ready to dig in. She's super excited. She's all about Nightmare Before Christmas. How does it taste, baby? They said it was gingerbread cookie with like mint and raspberries. Looks pretty cool. Is it yummy? Is it good? Thank you. Yummy. Take a bite. Use the eye. She loves anything sweet, so she's about to tear this cookie up. Where do we get this one from out, babe? The
French Market.
French Market.
At the French Market inside New Orleans Square.
Mommy.
Yeah, that place.
Try some of that green stuff.
Mommy.
Try the actual wreath.
Right.
See what it tastes like.
It looks like Rice Krispie treat.
Does it really?
No. Kind of weird. It's like minty. I don't know how I feel, but she's loving it. Come on, bite it. Bite it.
So would you definitely get it again?
Pretty good. It's a sugar cookie. Do you like it? Do you approve? Yeah. She's real interested in Jack behind her. She's obsessed.
Mommy.
Yes.
Try
Oh my goodness, say hi. Good?
Alright, DESFAM. So we're here in Adventureland inside the Tropical Holiday, sponsored by Dole. And today we are going to try out the chicken lime bao. It's a beautiful little pastry that is cooked and it has chicken lime inside of it. And it's nice and light, so let's give it a try. Wow. Right away, you can taste the accents in the chicken and the lime. It looks like it has like potatoes inside of it, along with some vegetables as well. Not a bad little snack, not a bad little treat to be trying out while you're stopping here. It's actually pretty tasty, and they serve them to you nice and steamed and warm, and they put them in a little bag for you so they stay nice and moist. Chicken lime bao, guys, at the Tropical Holiday. Give it a try.
I wonder if we should send a tray of food in to the performers. They were starting to look peckish.
All right, now off to try our second adventurous food at the Tropical Hideaway, the lumpia. Well, to me it looks like a little egg roll. I have no idea what's inside of this or what the filling is, but let's give it a try. Is it pork? Miranda says it's pork, so let's give it a try. It's crispy, it's light. It's so good. You really taste the pork on the inside. Check it out, guys. They're nice and warm and crispy and flaky. Give it a try, and they put some really cool dipping sauce next to it, so you guys can give that a try. Or you also have like the spicy dipping sauce, so give that a try too. Either way, the Tropical Hideaway, guys, it's really great. Stop by here at Disneyland Resort, Disneyland Park, and Adventureland to try it out. Alright, DESFAM, so that concludes this evening's vlog. If you guys like this video, make sure to hit the like button. Make sure to like and subscribe, guys, and check us out on Instagram.
Bye, guys.
Miranda's going to be posting all kinds of pictures that she took today and all kinds of cool little surprises that we found throughout our whole adventure of this vlog.
Make sure to like and add us on Instagram, DESFAM.
Do not forget, guys, until next time, guys, we'll see you on our next adventure of DESFAM. You guys have a great day, a great night, and take care. We'll see you guys later. Bye, guys. Bye. Say bye, baby. Say bye. Say bye. We out.